Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Thanks for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it to get all the alerts. Alright, so growing up, I went to the lake a lot where my grandfather had a place. And they would do a community kind of fish fry thing. So I wanted to do something like that, except I'm not a big fan of fish, even if it's fried up. Because, you know, usually when something's fried, it's good, you know, but I'd rather do something else. So I'm going to make some fried shrimp today. Okay, you know, straight with the Old Bay seasoning, like my grandfather used to use. I just remember being good times there, you know, everybody go fishing in the morning. I remember hearing boats and stuff going when I was just sleeping still. It was 4 a.m. and they're out, you know, going out fishing and stuff like that. So the whole community would come back, everybody be frying up fish, and you know, it was just really great feeling community and camaraderie. So with that, what I'm doing with this one is I'm doing a little collaboration with No Hippie Barbecue, with Lyle at No Hippie Barbecue. He's going to do it his kind of new school way. He's going to use an air fryer to make his fried shrimp and french fries. I'm going to use the old school way like the grandpa used to do it with some, you know, good old-fashioned oil, you know? I think it'll taste a little bit better. So do me a favor, go check out Lyle's channel. I'll have a link below. He's a good dude, putting out good stuff. Lots every week, and he's been around a long time, and he's reached out to me to do something like this, so I'm excited to collaborate with him. So Lyle, you take it from here and you do your thing. Alright, everybody come back and I'll show you how we put this thing together. Thanks.
Alright guys, we're back with the finished product. French fries, hand cut, fish or shrimp fry with that Old Bay seasoning and the beer batter. So good. Come on back, I'll show you how to make it.
Alright guys, we're going to go over the ingredients real quick. For our batter, we have some beer, flour, cornstarch, that Old Bay seasoning, to fry our shrimps and fries, the vegetable on the back. We're going to hit it with a little cracked black too. And then we got some bacon lover seasoning for the french fries. I thought it'd be a nice twist. Got our hand cut french fries sitting in some water. And we got some jumbo 16-20 shrimp just chilling with some Old Bay seasoning on them. Come on back, I'll show you how we do this. Alright guys, we're back. I'm going to start making the dredge for the fried shrimp batter. So we have little AP flour in there, all-purpose flour. We have, I just put a tablespoon, about a cup of flour, sorry. Put a tablespoon of cornstarch in there. I'm going to add a bunch of Old Bay. Now we're going to add a little beer to it. Alright, we're going to whisk it in. We're looking for a little pancake batter consistency. You can use whatever beer you want, but I would suggest a light beer, or this, like this lager right here. Okay? So I'm going to whip it all up. Come on back, I'll show you how it looks at the end. Alright guys, we're back. We're ready to work on these shrimp. I got them in this batter right here. It's got a nice color. The oil's at about 350. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah, look at that. We're only gonna fry these for a couple minutes. You don't need to overcook shrimp, you know that. So look for it to kind of get golden grams. Golden Graham cereal is sponsoring this fish fry. Golden brown and lovely. And come on back, we'll start making the french fries. Alright guys, check it out. This is not the last, it's the first shrimp out of the thing. Nice light coating on there. Tons of good flavor, only a couple minutes. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. So we're going to take these out, put them aside, season them right quick with a little salt, and we'll finish up the rest of these and we'll start our fries. Come on back. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to start working on these french fries, these hand-cut french fries. I'm going to put this in the oil, the same oil I use for the shrimps. You let these potatoes sit in water for about an hour to get some of that excess starch out. I'm going to cook these through until they're golden brown. Come on back and we'll see how we serve this dish. Alright guys, we're back. Ready for this taste test. I'm going to start with these nice fried shrimp. Look at that batter. Ooh, crispy. Yeah, I get that Old Bay right away. That beer batter, so good. My crispy hand-cut fry. Woo! Yeah, baby. It's a winner. You know it's a winner. Let me get this food down real quick because I want to talk to you for a minute. All right. This was excellent. I know what Lyle's doing over there. I know Hippie Barbecue's gonna be awesome too. Make sure you check them out. Like I said, the link's below. Want to thank Grandpa Joe up there for giving me the inspiration and doing something like this. I also want to thank my helpers this weekend, T-Bone behind the camera, and Mimi for cleaning up the joint. Appreciate you both helping me out. This was a long weekend, a lot of cooks. Had a great time. Listen, if you haven't already done all that stuff on the end card, like, subscribe, share, do it right now. And until next time, thank you for stopping by and thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care now.